Today we shall discuss the exercise that I gave you yesterday from join the sentences. You have to join the sentences without using and, but and so. First question is, it was very hot, I could not go out. What is this? It was so hot, I could not go out. Now, what will be answer of this? How you can join both of these sentences without using and, but, so? That I could not go out as it was very hot. Okay, that means you have to give the reason. I could not go out as it was very hot. You can use as also, because also. That I could not go out because it was very hot. I could not go out as it was very hot. Or you can also write it using since. That since it was very hot, I could not go out. Since it was very hot, comma, I could not go out. Now, next question. Second one, you can see, children. Aditi was very terrified. She couldn't speak. So, Aditi was very terrified. First sentence, she could not speak. So here, how you can join? Again, that Aditi couldn't speak because she was very terrified. Okay, you can join it using because or as. Aditi couldn't speak because she was very terrified. Now, third question. The room is small. It cannot accommodate all of us. The room is small. It cannot accommodate all of us. So, how you can join the pair of sentences? The room is too small for all of us to accommodate. You can write in this way, or you can write it as the room is too small to accommodate for all of us. Okay, the room is too small to accommodate all of us. Okay, now the fourth question is, it is a good book. I borrowed it from my neighbor. It is a good book. I borrowed it from my neighbor. The book which I borrowed from my neighbor is good. Fifth one, we reached the hall. The examination had begun. We reached the hall. The examination had begun. So, how you can join it? The examination had begun when we reached the hall. Question number 6. It is very cold. We can't wear cotton clothes. It is very cold. We can't wear cotton clothes. We can't wear cotton clothes because it is very cold. Okay, again, reason you can give that we can't wear cotton clothes because it is very cold, or as it is very cold. Anything you can write. Next one, question number 7. You helped him. He will be grateful to you. So answer will be, he will be grateful for your help. He will be grateful for your help. Next one, question number 8. Manav may join me. He may not join me. I don't care. Okay, so how you can write it as one complete sentence? I don't care whether Manav joins me or not. Very simple, children, that I don't care whether Manav joins me or not. Next one, question number 9. Soni can score more marks. Tell her how. So answer will be, tell Soni how she can score more marks. Next one. My son is very impatient. He never listens to me. My son is very impatient. He never listens to me. So, how you can join this? My son is too impatient to listen me. That is, using TOO you can join the given pair of sentence. My son is too impatient to listen me. Okay. Now this is the answer of these given questions. So after this you can look at the answers. So these are the answers which I have written for you, dear children. In point number 6, that is in question number 6, here I did mistake. You can see this, we can't wear. Okay, instead of we you have to write wear. Okay, so that I missed. So you can write answers of this, and in the next video we shall discuss few more types of questions. Thank you.